How to remove a watermark on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can remove a watermark on a video on TikTok. Now if you open up TikTok app here and head into any video, I'll just head into my profile and head into any video, you'll find a little watermark with video. If you download it, however, you'll get the watermark here. I'll just save this video here. And if you view that video here on the gallery, you'll be able to find that you have the watermark on the video popping up. Now you can see the watermark here, TikTok. Now to remove this or to download the video without watermark, what you want to do is simply open up the video and tap on the three dots on the video and then tap on copy link. Now once you copy the link of the video, what you want to do is head into any browser that you want and then search in for snaptik.com. You can just search in for snaptik.com and then you'll be headed to this page, and then paste your link here, right here, and then tap on download. Once you do this, you'll be able to download the video. Simply tap on download and follow the process to download, and you can see the video has been downloaded. And if you open it up, you'll find that there is no watermark on the video that was there while you watched it or downloaded it from TikTok. So this way you can remove a watermark on TikTok video. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.